Uh, Hello. This video will tell you how to create a ROS environment to test some OARbot code online. So you do not need to have the Linux system in your laptop. You can just use some online server to create that environment and then testing our code. Okay, so we will use the server called the construct. It's like a pretty special platform for us to do the testing for robotics. Okay, so first, if you log into the website, you can create an account and then create a new project. Let's see. Okay, so I think I already create one, and I will delete everything, so it will make this project as a new project. So first go to the workspace. Oops. It's called CAD-CAM workspace. Yeah, so we will delete our build folder. Oh, okay, that's no such. Oops. And the develop folder and our source folder. Okay, yes, and then we can clone our code from GitHub. The code is from my GitHub, and the the repository is OARbot. Okay, and then oops, sorry. The next step, we can build such projects. Okay. There were some failures for several submodules, so we don't care about that module. The main part is the OARbot and the kernel part. So we currently we only need these two modules. So it should be pretty, yeah. Okay, and then we should source our codes, and then we can run our code description and go. And you can view the source code in my GitHub or inside the construct. I think if you go to the IDE, yeah, this one, yeah, this one, this is IDE, and you can view the source code inside. I can show you later. Okay, so currently we run the code, and we start the Conceivable to see our OARbot. Okay, yeah, looks like this is our OARbot, and I create a environment, a very simple test environment for the OARbot, and then I can run a simple code to move the OARbot. I think. Go to another terminal. Yeah, that's it. So I think after that you can modify my source code and then do some more testing based on based on current state. Code edit. Oops. Yeah, so our code is in Catkin workspace and source. The main part is in OARbot ROS, and OARbot description. Yeah, OARbot description. It's this folder is the URDF files for our OARbot and for the environment, and I think this one go to. This is the launch file I try to launch, and yeah, okay. So these are the source code. I try to load everything like the OARbot and the some parameter for Canova, and this is for the gazebo words, and this part is the initial state for the Canova arm, and this is the control part for Canova arm, and this part is the code to try to move the OARbot like from the initial state to near the table, and the main code is in this file. It's called go to point or me.py. It's in the script. Yeah, it's we need to create some ROS message and ROS servers to try to let the gazebo to know what it should do next, and yeah, that's it. I think yeah, and based on the OARbot ROS folder and the several files, you can try to add some more testing and do some more testing in such a environment.